So how much does it cost to stream on Twitch? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in this video we're going to simply be discussing as to how much does it really cost or whether or not it is free to stream on Twitch. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, we are on the twitch.tv website, and then if you're talking about whether you want to actually stream on Twitch and how much does it really cost, you have to understand that Twitch does not charge you anything to stream on Twitch. It is absolutely free. The only thing you have to do is a simple login to your account, and then you just need to create an account if you haven't already. Just go ahead and click on the login button and then make sure to enter your username, your password, log into your account, and then you should be able to log into your account respectively. The only thing that where you need to pay is if you choose to subscribe to a specific streamer, or then if you want to donate it, that is the case when you actually have to pay. Other than that, the way to stream on Twitch is absolutely free. You don't have to really pay anything in order to stream on Twitch. That's the basic thing that you want to understand. So hope this video helped you answer the question, and if it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.